Bata pa lang ako, dama ko na. Hindi ako katulad ng iba. Hindi ako yung tipo na pinipiling kalaro. Ako yung batang kapag nakita mo kung di mabubuli dahil lampa, laging mag-isa kasi lahat lumalayo. Hanggang high school dala ko yung sakit ng walang kaibigan. Matalino ako, mabait, hindi nga lang kagandahan. Alam kong lumalapit lang sila sa akin kapag kailangan na ng kopyahan. Pero di nila ako kinikibo kung sa kanila'y wala akong pakinabang. Tumungtong ako ng college, akala ko ito na, may matatawag na akong barkada. Sagot ko yung pagkain, inumin para makasama sa lakad nila. Pero nang minsan narinig ko yung usapan na may kasamang tawanan pa. Umalis naman daw sila nang wala ako, nakakasuya akong kasama. Ako si Vina, ginawa ko naman lahat para mabilong. Pero bakit parang ako yung may problema? Ito ang aking biyaheng people pleaser. Hindi ako tabu or hindi lingid sa akin yung ganitong klase ng storya. Yung tipong you try to fit in sa crowd na feeling mo cool for you, crowd ng mga populars. It's not just in the film eh. Nakita ko at naranasan ko siya in the flesh. Though hindi ako yung nasa side ng batang binubuli. Kasi I've never allowed anyone before to bully me. Despite my height, surprisingly at 4'11", never kong hinayaan, not one time, na mabuli ako. Pero I saw someone na nabubuli right in front of me. Kinukuha yung notebooks niya, nilalagyan ng kung ano-ano yung backpack niya, hinihila yung buhok niya from time to time. Nilalagay siya sa mga awkward position. Alam mo yung talagang ninonominate siya as muse. Not because the class believe that she is beautiful, but because you know it has a different meaning. For a moment, hindi ako maghugas ng kamay. I did not say anything. And that is just as good as bullying that person. Kasi yung not doing anything about it to stop those people from bullying someone, para mo na ding binuli yung taong yun yourself. Kasi wala kang ginawa eh. Di mo pwedeng sabihin na I can't. Hindi sa akin naman sila magagalit. So what? Nasa tama ka eh. You were just trying to be right. Trying to correct yung maling nangyayari in front of you. So, hindi ako maghugas ng kamay. At some point, I was that person. Yung nanunood lang. Hindi ako nakikitawa kasi I don't see anything funny about it, but I did not do anything. Pero if I can recall it and remember it correctly, there was a time na I really sincerely tried to help this person. Magaling si DJ Lala mag-makeup ever since the world began. Gustong-gusto ko yung inaayusan ko yung mga tao, tinatry ko silang i-makeover. That is something that I'm very, very happy doing. So I did sa kanya. Inaayusan ko siya, sinusuklay ko yung book niya, tinatali ko yung book niya, inaayos ko yung bag niya. I did that. Pero walang nagbago sa kanya. Kasi wala siyang nakitang mali sa kanya. At nahiya ako sa sarili ko for doing that. Nahiya ako na why am I trying to change this person? Why am I trying to put up a mask na hindi naman niya kayang consistently gawin sa sarili niya just so she can alam mo yun, she can have a normal day in my eyes, na normal yung araw na yun, na walang mangbubuli sa kanya, walang manggugulo sa kanya, walang mantitrip sa kanya, kasi for me, she looks like us. Doon ko napansin. She did not had to change anything sa kanya. Along with the people na nambubuli sa kanya, kami pala yung dapat nagbago. Kasi there's nothing wrong with her. She was trying to belong. She was trying to converse. She was trying to have a normal day. At kami yung, for the lack of better term, kami yung abnormal no mga panahong yun. So my love, kapag may nakita kayong tao na unique, dahil hindi siya yung standard nyo of normal, don't bother changing that person. Kasi for that person, there's nothing wrong with him or her. Yung uniqueness niya, yun yung dahilan kung bakit siya special. Ang baguhin mo is the way you look at people. Your standard of normal and what is not normal. Your standard of who to be friends with and sino yung dapat layuan. Yung pagiging judgmental mo, yun yung dapat mong baguhin, hindi yung mga taong ginajudge mo. Kasi no matter how you try to dress a person up, if no one will accept that person for exactly who she or he is, then the problem will never be theirs. The problem will always be sa mga taong tumitingin sa kanya differently. Tayo yung nasa learning side. Tayo yung kailangan matuto sa kanila. It's not the other way around. So para po kay Vina, na nagtatry magbelong, my love, there's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing in you that you should change. The world should change. The world should change the way it looks at you. The people around you must change their definition of a friend, of beauty. Sila yung kailangan magbago, hindi ikaw. One day you'll find those people who will see how amazing you are. Huwag mong iisipin na hindi ka enough. Huwag mong sasabihin sa sarili mo that you are not worth it. My love, if there's one thing na natutunan ko nung high school ako, it's the other way around. Kaming mga tao na tumitingin sa'yo differently, kami yung may dapat baguhin. Kami yung hindi deserving of you. Kami yung hindi worthy to be by your side kasi kami ang may problema. That's the very thing I've learned and I'm sharing with you today. It took me long enough to understand na yung side ko yung may problema sa pagtingin at hindi yung tinitignan ko. And sometimes we won't even notice that. So if you are listening to me today and you are trying to help someone change so that i-accept siya ng ibang tao, hindi na siya nabully, don't bother, my love. Tayo ang may mali, hindi sila. There's nothing wrong with them. They are perfect just the way they are. Even with the kindest and the purest intention. Yung pagtingin natin sa kanila yung mali. Tayo ang hindi worthy of their presence. Sana alam niyo yung difference. Klaro?